At some point I hit record, but I don't know when. Today, car number 142. It's been a little while, but the last few cars have been stock. Dearly beloved, we are gathered here today to fruit pick this 1997 Subaru Impreza WRX GC8. Let's go. Fog light covers, which are actually already sold long before it arrived. Version 4 STI front lip and a pink Impreza eye badge. Bonnet with scoop and vents. Some kind of aftermarket wheels. Diablo Racing, whatever that is. 215 45/17 tyres, which are probably shot. 4-pot brakes, slotted and cross-drilled rotors, which have probably seen better days. Jacob's mirror for street cred and E-frames and all the rest of it. Anyway, we have a Canon exhaust muffler, probably part of a 3-inch turbo back system. Interior-wise, we have an old-school autometer boost gauge, steering wheel with Boss kit, and some kind of basic Sony head unit with auxiliary input. And look, seats! No rips or tears, but a little bit of wear over here. Turbo timer stashed here. Pop the hood. Looking at the front before, you probably would have noticed front mount intercooler. Red piping to go with it. We have some kind of blow-off valve, which we'll look at a bit closer.
Sounds like digital chipmunks.
We have IHI turbo. I don't know if you can read that, but I believe it says VF30. Pot filter, some kind of silicon intake. So that's what we found so far. If we find more, we'll list it on our website. And STI gear knob, which we forgot earlier. And if you want to see more, subscribe. Thanks. Bye.